Hello. Now, not my normal sort of video. I wouldn't normally do an unboxing of just a headset, but I thought this video might come in handy if anyone's thinking of buying the certified refurbished from Corsair. Now, I've got a couple of friends who have actually ordered the refurbished stuff before, such as gaming mice, and they've had a really good experience. Now, this come from a website called Scan Computers in the UK. Really good website. I've used it before for ordering all sorts of products. Now, this has actually come certified refurbished from Corsair themselves. Now, if you were looking on eBay and it just said refurbished, it might be not a scam, but it might just be something that someone's picked up off a marketplace and they're trying to flip it, etc. So I would be a little bit dubious of that. But again, Scan's website, they do sell a lot of refurbished Corsair products, but it's all stuff that's come from Corsair themselves, and it's all stuff that's been certified to a high standard. So the reason I'm making this video is I've ordered this headset mainly to use as my VR headset. In fact, I'll just show you at the moment. This is the old Logitech headset that I've been using for my VR headset. Now, this fits over the VR headset really well. So this is the one I've been using, but it is getting a bit old now, and the battery kept dying, and I just wanted to basically get something cheap that's still really good audio quality for a good price. Now, I do have the Razer Nari Ultimate, but the ear cups are just way too big for VR. So this is what I usually use on the actual PC when I'm playing games, talking to friends, etc. But they are just too big and bulky to use with VR. So that's why I got the HS70 Pro. Just going to load up the website and we'll have a little look at what they say on Scan. So this cost £69. I think it's about £99 if you were to get this from Corsair new. So you're saving about £30, which is good saving considering the fact that a lot of these products are actually open box or returned items that have never even been used. So for example, on Scan's website, Corsair refurbished products. Scan Computers sell a huge range of refurbished Corsair products. Corsair certified refurbished products start with demo units, open box items, and customer swaps. They go through our stringent refurbishment process and are 100% tested to meet the performance specifications of brand new products. Some return products have not been used at all, but only the packaging of the box was altered. 100% of returned products go through Corsair's stringent refurbished process and are fully tested. Okay, so the reason I thought I'd do this little video is because I'm going to open this up and we're going to check together on camera how good their refurbished items are, because this is quite a big saving, going from £99 down to £69, and also the Virtuosa, which is the next headset up, which is their premium headset. You can get, I think, the standard Virtuosa for £129 refurbished, or £160 odd, I think it is, new. So a little bit of a saving. So inside the box, we do have a different box than the original one that it would have come in. We got a little leaflet here, and then the headset itself just comes in some bubble wrap. So I believe in here we should have the headset. Yes, we do. Nothing else in the bubble wrap. Let's just get rid of that. And let's take a look at the headset itself. Now, the actual quality of the headset looks really nice. I'm just going to inspect it for any obvious signs of damage. And there really doesn't seem to be anything wrong with this at all. In fact, there's still stickers on the headset, the protective stickers that I don't know if they've been put back on by Corsair. But even the stitching on the headband, all of the leather looks really nice condition. This headset's never been worn before, I can tell just by looking at it. No damage to the buttons. Scroll wheel moves fine. What's this in here? Is this our audio? What's this? So we got the little port there, charging port. Again, the charging port looks nice and clean. There's no. This is a brand new headset. This is a brand new headset. So this could have been just returned to Corsair. This could have just been returned for, I don't know. They could have just made up an excuse to say why they didn't want it, or it could have been like a demo product. But to me, I can't see the fact that this has ever been worn. This looks absolutely fantastic. This is brand new. I'm really happy with this. So just show you around the headset here. You got one side coming round. We got the other side there. We got the band at the top. And again, all the stickers are in place. The thing that you'd usually peel off, look. The thing that you'd usually peel off to protect the gloss. So yeah, really happy with those. Let's just check the microphone. So that comes in this little bag, look, that's taped up. Pull out the microphone. So this does have a detachable microphone. So we have got the USB dongle there. Brilliant. What else we got in here? We got, hey look, there's even the pop filter for the microphone there, brand new, look. And the microphone itself. Oh, sorry, that plug, where is it? That plug there is actually for the detachable microphone, so I'm going to leave that out for now. What else we got? A USB type, what's that? Type A? I can't remember now. Mini USB cable there. So this obviously doesn't have Type C, but for a budget set of headphones, these are absolutely brilliant. So I bought these for my VR headset because the other wireless headphones that I have are, yeah, they've kind of had their day now. So yeah, these are brilliant. If you're thinking about getting Corsair refurbed products, a good way of saving a lot of money, because these are brand new. These are brand new headphones for £30, £30 cheaper than if you were to buy them brand new. Think of what you could get for £30. Quite a lot of money. That's what? I don't know, 30% off maybe. So thanks for watching my video. Again, I just thought I'd make this quick unboxing, just showing you in case you are considering getting any Corsair refurbed products. Don't worry, everything looks absolutely brilliant. This is not sponsored or anything. Corsair's not giving me these headphones. I bought these out of my own money. My channel is I got like what, 1,800 subscribers, so I don't think Corsair are going to be sending me any products anyway. So so thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. Please comment in the comment section if you've bought anything from Corsair that's been refurbed. Yeah, let me know what you think. Is this something you would buy yourself? I will leave a link in the description to the website where I bought these from, and a link in the description to Corsair's refurbed products. All right, thank you very much. Cheers for watching, and I will see you later. Goodbye.